make one last hit for y'all as soon as we hit this dry spot. Now we about to turn in here. Grimes Recycling here in Lawrenceburg. They've weighed a few cars for us. Welcome back to the channel. This is what you've been waiting on, the final weight reveal. So we're gonna take the Mustang, we're gonna drive it to the scales, get this thing scaled out, see what it weighs. Somebody's winning a new boosted 931 hat, so let's go take it. You know, street car, crank it up, we're gonna drive it there. Turbo 400. If you're new to the channel, this is a built sleeve motor by RPG, O-ring, corded heads, the works. We're gonna go get this thing. If you're new to the channel, I'm Boosted, and this is my turbo car. This is pretty much my race car slash street car. We're gonna go get this thing weighed. A lot of people have been wanting to see what this thing weighs. I have an idea in mind, I'm not gonna say it, but pretty excited with this car. This car's came a long way. We've got the motor, the trans, everything's in it, ready to go. Got the parachute, so now we're just ready to get this thing weighed, see what it weighs, and hit the track. How streetable is a Turbo 400? Well, I'm gonna be driving it there. I drove it an hour and a half back in the rain when I picked the car up. And it did fine. It does have a spool in the back. You can hear how loud this spool is, but I've got Kirkies now. We'll be weighing it today with a half a tank of gas. There's some ducks in the road. Oh, what is that? But we're gonna weigh it with a half a tank of gas. Of course, it is slash race car, so you got all the dash lights on. Turbo 400, just pull everything. But it's also looking very rainy. Out to Off-Road Performance Center with Nicky Looney. Also, Ben Qualls helping put these seats in and stuff. And I'm ready to see what this car weighs, because if it weighs what I expect it to weigh at this power level, car made a little over 13. To the rear wheel, still not all the way what it can be. I'm excited. This is about to get fun. No intent of going full race car. Bought this car with the intent of having a 800 or 900 rear wheel horsepower street car that I could drive it. That's all changed. I'm probably gonna end up taking out this dash on fiberglass dash, probably fiberglass doors. We're gonna keep the front end of everything metal, but we're already this far into it. I think we're gonna shoot to try to get this thing to 3,000 pounds or less. Maybe 3,100 sounds more realistic. But the thing I'm getting in this car is a K-member from DMR and get a lightweight battery. Like I said before, we're going to do a carbon fiber trunk with a drag wing. This car is coming along very nicely. It's not yet done, but it's getting close. Stay tuned. The goal is to run 4s in the 8th mile in this car this year. That is the goal. See what we can get. I'm having fun doing this. I appreciate each and every one of you guys that follow this channel and make this dream come true. Literally drive this car all the freaking time though. Alright y'all, we about to turn in here. Grimes Recycling here in Lawrenceburg. They've weighed a few cars for us. Really great people here. So let's get this thing weighed and see what it weighs. Get on here. I'm going with 3480 is what I'm gonna go with. 3480. Let's go see. Let's go see if they see. We'll get back in this thing. See what it weighs. I'm gonna say 3480 with me out of it. Been waiting for this.
this for a while. I know it's gonna be a lot heavier than what I really wanted it to be to begin with, but like I said, we still gotta do the K member and all that good stuff. Then I'm gonna get out and do it with me in, with me out. There it is, 3360. Yep, 3360. We're gonna pull out of here. I got them back there staring, look. They're wanting me to get on it, so I'm gonna do a little pull for them since they let me weigh it. Let all this traffic go. Got a little work to do. You know, we get a K member, get a lightweight battery, get it down to 3,300-ish. Like I said, we did add an anti-roll bar, and we did add the parachute, so we did add weight back. Keep in mind, we're getting a cage put in this thing, so that's going to be putting 200 more pounds back into the car, which will put me about 3,560, which a lot of these events want you to weigh 3,500 pounds for the daily driver / street car, which, I mean, I drive this car everywhere, so I mean, but very excited. Do want to get it a little bit lighter though, because like I said, we are putting a cage in it. Somebody's getting a new hat. I gotta go home. I gotta go back through the comments and see who got the closest. So somebody's getting a new hat. But guys, thanks for another pull. A big dip right here. Always, because that's about what I race with when I race. Woo! People was asking, you know, doing the speed limits with a turbo 400. So right now we're doing 70, and we're setting it about, well, going about 3,100 RPM with the 373 gear, which we are slightly on an incline, but turbo 400 with a trans brake, 2-step stall. Been great transmission so far. That sound just never gets old. The sound of a turbo car coming in boost. Love this thing. Alright, so we're getting pretty close to getting home. So I'll do one last pull to run it out the back door for you guys. I know those turbo sounds never get old. Once we get over this little bridge here, we'll hit it again. Guys, we're gonna make one last hit for y'all as soon as we hit this dry spot. Well, we are pulling back in to the house, get this thing put up, and go over and see who won a free hat. Is the winner. He guessed 33.59. Brailsford Rides came in second. He was a very, very close second. Brailsford, you almost pulled off. So Clay, I don't technically know you, so I need you to hit me up on Instagram, Boosted931. Give me your information. Let me know if you're going to Ford Takeover or not. Have a good one, guys. Congratulations, Clay. Guys, that's going to wrap it up this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't. See you soon. Racing coming.